Hello again, everybody. Welcome to Bell CB. Got a Galaxy DX-98VHP. This is for Jason in Wisconsin. Jason has an amplifier switch in the back. He's also got a Top Gun modulator switch in the back. Okay, so we're going to start with the amplifier switch off, barefoot radio, with the variable power turned all the way down, and AM mode. Let's take a look over here. We got 10 watts on top scale, 6 watts. Let's see there. There. That's better. Had the amp switch on. So power all the way down. See, we got just below a watt, maybe 0.75. And if I turn the power all the way up, it's almost 5 watts there. Alright, my peak power. If I put a 50 watt slug in here, it's going to show us power in the middle scale. Audio. Turn the audio. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all the way up, it'll swing almost to 50 there. Audio, check. Alright. And on sidebands, audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Almost 40 watts out sideband. Okay, I'm going to take that switch in the back now and kick it up. Alright, and then I'm going to go back to AM and bring the power all the way down and come back to this watt meter on the 10 watt scale. This will give us about 6, and then go 2 notches over to the 100 watt scale. Turn the power all the way up, right about 60. And over here, we'll take that slug out, put in my 500. We're looking at power in the middle now. This scale here, just adding a 0. Audio. Add a 0 to that, that's 300. Audio, check. Okay, and now, let's see. Sideband, audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm not sure we went in the right order here, so let's go back to AM, all the way down, to 6 to 60, and then the peak power, audio, check, audio. Alright. Oh. Gotta show you that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. And then a quick demonstration of the Top Gun modulator. I'm going to turn the power all the way down now. Audio. And that's my swing power. But if I turn on the Top Gun modulator, audio, that's where it peaks on what the Top Gun on. And it doesn't over-modulate a big band, awful signal. Audio, check. Looks fine. Audio. Alright. Let's put it on the air. How about at channel 19? Can I get a radio check? Where you at out there in the distance? maybe something a little closer. You can tell me if my radio's working all right. Audio, check, check. I hear you out there trying to give me a radio check. That's all I hear is the word radio check. Can't really make out what else you're saying.
That radio's working, man.
I appreciate it, Han. Thank you very much. Have a great day.